Okay, hello everyone. Today I'm going to show how to reset the Casio scientific calculator. Okay, it's very easy. Knowingly or unknowingly, sometimes we can set up the different modes which make us difficult to solve the simple problem. So that's why first of all go to the mode, then press the 1. Next method we have here. First of all, press the button shift, then press the button CLR or clear, then press the button number 3. You have 3 button here. Then press the button equals to, then press the button AC. Therefore, it is a normal calculator. Okay, in the next step, we're gonna learn about the how to decrease or increase the contrast or the brightness and darkness of your letter in a calculator. First of all, you have to go shift button. Then you can press the mode. Then you have to press the replay button, go down button. Then after we have number 6. Then after you can see the in your screen, you can display. If you click the left button of the replay, lighter हुन्छ. If you click the right button of your replay, it become what? Darker. You can see the example also. For example, here beside light हुन्छ. If I click this one in the right side, it will be itself, it become the darker. This is the way. So you can increase or decrease your darkness and the lightness of your letter. Okay, in the next step, we will learn about the how to convert decimal into fraction and fraction into decimal number. Suppose we have here 3.14 is our decimal number. Now what will be its fraction? Thus to equals to, it is a fraction of 3.14. And if you want to convert this fraction into decimal, very simple, like this one. For example, we have here 45 divided by 7 is a fraction number. Yes, if you want to convert it into the decimal, we have this SD button. Just click the SD button like this one. Here we have SD button. It will convert 6.42857149 is our decimal number. So it's very easy to convert into fraction to decimal, decimal to fraction.